Okay, once again you are watching Northwoods Discovery on YouTube. Look for all of my other videos. Please subscribe and like and comment however you like. Tell me what you like and don't like so I know what to put on here. Today we are going to be preparing the best beef, homegrown beef, venison, locally shot and processed venison from Wisconsin, and bacon, locally grown bacon burgers. So I'll tell you how to make the best burgers in the world using beef, bacon, and venison. Okay, so are you ready for the best hamburger patties available on this planet? What you need is ground beef, which we grew in our backyard and butchered, and you need venison, which we shot in Wisconsin and then butchered. You need bacon, locally grown, which we bought from a local farmer. You need eggs, and you need French onion soup mix. So we got that from a local bulk food, health food store. This right here is what it looks like. I took the venison and I took the pork or the bacon and I ground them together. So my mixture is going to be 40% approximately beef, 40% approximately venison, and 20% bacon. And then I mix that all together. I'll show you how it looks in the bowl. And then I give a generous helping of the French onion soup mix on it, and then 2 eggs that hold the burger together. So let's go over that again. So you need beef, hopefully locally grown, no hormones, and then venison from the woods, bacon from a butcher, and 2 eggs and onion soup mix, French onion soup mix. And then this is just an example. This is my frozen venison and bacon together. So I mixed everything in the bowl. I've got the beef at the bottom, I've got the venison and bacon mix on the top, and then I put a generous portion, I never even measure it out, of the French onion soup mix, the dry powdered, and then I put the eggs in. I put 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna mash all this together and make burger patties out of it. You don't need to see me making the mess, but you'll see what they look like once they are made into patties. Okay, now that it's all mixed up, you can kind of see the light pink is the beef, the dark reddish pink mixed in there is the venison. You can't see the eggs anymore, obviously. There's a little bit of egg there, but it's all mixed in. The white chunks are the bacon. There's no fat really in venison that you can see, and there is very little in our beef at our house because we just do grass-fed beef in the backyard. Watch our videos and you can see how we got started. We've come a long way, but I've got a few videos on how we started with some calves and some other things to prep for being beef farmers, I guess you'd call it. And then you can see the little specks maybe of the French onion soup. Now I'm gonna put them into patties. So here are the patties, and I'm actually gonna put them in the oven and bake them or broil them. I do grill once in a while, but I like the oven a lot better. It's a lot cleaner, easier. Don't make them too thick. I used to make them way too thick, and then the insides would be raw looking like this, and then the outsides would be charred. So you make them a lot thinner, maybe a lot bigger around, and you just put them in the oven. I use 400, 425, and I just watch them for 20 minutes. Now that they've been in the oven for about 5, 6, 7 minutes, I like to put them in a searing hot cast iron skillet. I had it scalding hot. I've got oil in there so that they don't stick. This will pan sear them, maybe put some lines on there to make it look like it was on the grill. This will kind of char one side just a hair, keep some of the moistness inside. And then I put them back in the oven. I've got the oven still at 400 degrees. It'll be another 5-10 minutes inside once I get each side. See how it puts the lines on there like on a grill, kind of sears in all the moisture. I'll turn up this a little bit more. You can hear it sizzling. That one needed to be left a little bit longer, but it's still doing the job. And once they've been seared on both sides, take your hot pad. I actually can use this right again, put it in at the 400 degrees for another 5-10 minutes. Just test them, cut them open, see if they're raw or pink. Okay, so I've had them in there for another 5 or 10 minutes, and I like to just cut them in half. What I've got them here at now is about medium, so we'll eat them right away. Some of us like a medium rare, so I could have left them in there for 4 or 5 minutes instead of 5 to 10. But this is your end product of the most amazing and delicious venison, beef, and bacon burgers. And once again, that is how to make the most amazing burgers ever, with venison, beef, and bacon, and French onion soup and eggs. That's the only ingredients. If you have any questions on when to flip them, how to flip them, any other kind of ingredients that you can put with them. Sometimes I put chopped onions in them, sometimes I put breadcrumbs in them. Gets to be almost like a meatloaf at that point. But please watch, like, subscribe, comment, tell me if you liked this or if you didn't like this. Tell me if you made it and if they turned out as amazing as mine do. Again, watch my Northwoods Discovery videos and I will keep making them. Thank you.